Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 17 of Follow a Sketch February, and here is our sketch. We have two 4x3 photos, lots of paper, so like a block. So that dark gray block, that's just a strip there and a strip there. I've got these two pieces from my 6x6 paper pad because I am trying to use those up, and every little bit that I get is just one more help that I can say is done. I am also playing along for Buttons, Galore and More, finishing up using the fabulous collection box that they had sent to me. So we are going to use these these pearls and the jewels from the February subscription box. At least I think it is. It's a romance one. I'm not real sure. So we've got that. We have our two photos here that we are going to trim down. My kid is going to make lots of noise. I'm also going to incorporate this into Ginger Bush's Dining Around the World. I'm doing Fiji's recipe today. It's a pet layout. As you see, I've got the girls both sleeping in their respective areas. Brown enamel dots or gems. So I do have these gems here. I have the hearts and the stars. And then I do have these as well. That was the closest. These are like glittery enamel dots. So both from close to my heart. We've got those. And then we're going to play with this collection. I have just a little bit left to use on the sticker sheets. And probably about half of the chipboard pieces left. And then we've got all of this paper to use. We have some scraps. All that is scraps. So that makes this very simple. This is going to be our cardstock. This is going to be our 12 by 12. We're going to use this. And then I've got to get this all trimmed down, which I will do. Mat my photos. There's one big mat. So let me go ahead and work and see what we need to do. Let me just mute these people. I love my friends, but sometimes they get going. And then I can't leave my phone up there. So we're going to mute them for an hour. Sorry, girls. All right. So let's get this out of the way and over there. Something just fell off. No, okay. So we've got all of that. I don't have my glasses. Everything, my glasses and my contacts are both messed up, so I think that's what I'm getting headaches from lately, so we're gonna wing it. So alright, so we got this one 12 by 12. It does look like it's matted. Obviously that's not gonna happen. So we got that. We know that this, and I'm just going to shear this up and cut off that right there. This one has a little bit of it as well. It's just like the gluey bits. So we know what we're using that for. And then let's get those pieces out of my pile. So we have this. And this. Maybe we'll... Did something really just pop up? I don't even know what that was. Alright. So we need a strip. We're going to use this as the strip. It looks like it is 3 inches. I'm going to go ahead and make that 3. Not even sure if that was a straight edge on that side, so. And we're gonna do 3 by 11. Okay, so we've got that strip, boom. And if you see over here, I'm kind of recreating these things. And then we need, how big is this? Let's just go 9 by 9. Okay. And this guy sits there with that one there. All right. Do we want to use that as our photo mats? No, I think we're going to use this. So hopefully this will be enough. That's 5. So we're going to make this. We need, it's going to be 4 by 3, 4 by 3. Let's cut our photos. So that's 4. And then we're going to trim it down to get this white edge off. Oops. Okay. So we are at whatever that is. Whatever that is. Which I can't even, it's one of the 16ths. All right, so we've got that. Now we need to get this. All right, give me a minute. I gotta figure this out and I don't want to waste you guys' time. All right, so to go ahead and, as you see in the sketch, we've got like the title and there's journaling, journaling, journaling. I just said, hey, let's just use that entire chipboard. So everything that was on that chipboard sheet has been used. I've spread the little acorns out through there, and then I did go to the sticker sheet and pull the rest of the little acorns. I'm going to go ahead and grab this sticker. Let's pop it up on some foam. Hey, fun fact, I think that's, yeah, I gotta have it on foam. That was the extra bits. So, fun. So we're gonna get this stuck on here. Pop in a few of these little guys. And then that's done. So we do have the foam. This is a pet layout, and we are going to get the enamel dots on there. So Fiji is complete. I'm having a lot of fun playing along with this hop. I can't wait to see what Ginger comes up with next. All right. So I'm going to stick this. Let's do it kind of like so, and not really kind of, like for real. What else do we have on here? Most of this is just words. So the only thing that I'm going to grab are these weedy mushrooms. I'll just tuck them right there. Leaves are falling. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Apple picking. The best thing about fall is being together. I don't think we're going to use the rest of this. I will save those. This is literally the scraps that I have left. And I hate to say this, but I might. No, we're going to recycle those. Boom. I got like 3 or 4 layouts out of this little kit, so I am super happy with that. Let's go with these enamel dots. And then we're going to add, so we're going to come in. We are going to pop them down. Where do I want? Just a few more. Okay. And then we'll come in. So we got those on there as well. And now I just want to add, so we're going to add one here. We'll add 2 there and 1 there. So we're going to make sure to put the brown side up. Just drop these little half pearls on, or they're not half pearls, they're whole pearls. Oh Lord. And then this guy is going to go here. Okay. And then let's come in and let's add these little jimmy jims throughout here, as well as these little acorns, just to bring some sparkle. Around everything. Okay, need my jewel picker. And because it's a drastic color, it's got gold in it though. See, that's the thing. So we're just going to pop them in. And I think it's going to add the right bit of what we need. And I'm going in a few different sizes. And just picking them up, plopping them down. So don't forget to check everybody else out that is playing along with Follow a Sketch and Ginger's Hop. There will be lists down below and links. And do all the fun YouTube-y things, like, subscribe to my channel, give me that thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know whatever it is that's on your mind. I do have a members portion to my channel where we play with mixed media and do some fun requests. If you're interested in that, please join that as well. Okay, stay over there. Stay in your lane, man. I need one there. So then we just kind of look at it and say, hey, where do I need something? Now this is the art glitter glue inside Manuvo thing here. I know I'm a wild lady. And then let's just get a little bit over here. And we'll add this guy up here. I want a bigger one for over here. There are a whole bunch of sizes in here, so. And that is going to do it for today's layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.